On this happy day, I would like to convey a message to the people of the world. Human rights are not a luxury, they are the inherent human rights of every human being, regardless of race, religion, ethnicity, language, gender, financial status, or social identity. Every person is born with certain fundamental rights. These rights include the right to education, healthcare, food, shelter, and security. The primary goal of insurance human rights is to enable every individual to live a life of dignity, safety, and peace. Today, the most severe human rights violations in the world are taking place in Gaza, Palestine. Thank you to all the humanitarian people around the world who fight for humanity.